If you really want to up your smart home game, it's good to have a digital voice assistant. There's a few different ones on the market. We're going to have a look today at the Google Nest Audio. This is the latest from Google, and it's got some pretty great features. If you remember the older Google Home, which is, I guess, the first one, this one here actually has improved on the sound quality. So not only do you get 75% louder audio, you also get 50% more bass as well. And I gotta be honest, I really like the style of this one. It's got a nice fabric covering on the back and the front, and it comes in a few different colors as well. So it really kind of fits nicely into your home decor, no matter what type of furniture you have. And it's pretty easy to set up as well. All you have to do is load up the Google Home app. It's free off the different app stores. And once you've got that set up with your Google email, you can start adding these types of devices. And that's the nice thing. Once this thing's plugged in and you've got your Google Home app all loaded up, it just knows that it needs to set it up. You can see right up here, set up Nest Audio. So I can basically click on that and then just go through the steps, and it just walks me through it, and it's actually quite easy. Once it's all set up, that's the nice thing about the Google Home app. You can then have it look for all the smart home and connected devices in your house that you'll be able to actually use the voice assistant to control. So you can see I can scroll through here, and it's found everything. It's got my thermostat, it's got all my different Google Homes, all the lights that are in my house, even my Roomba vacuum cleaners as well. I mean, and that's pretty cool. I can vacuum my house with my voice. Even my smart TV, I can control that with the Google Nest Audio. So once that's all set up, the nice thing is that not only do you have a great smart home device that can control everything, but it's also great at music. And here's kind of a bonus tip. You can actually purchase a second one of these and create a stereo pair. I've got one here on the other side of the couch, and now when I'm playing my music, I get great stereo sound in my family room. And because of the better audio in the latest version here, it's fantastic. And I can control it either through the app, through my voice, telling it to turn the volume up and down, pick my favorite songs that I've selected through my music subscription, or I can even just touch the device up top here. It controls the volume. So again, if you want to up your smart home game, have a look at the latest from Google.